How do health insurance, coinsurance, and copayments differ? Imagine trying to understand how much you'll pay when you visit the doctor or get a prescription. It can be confusing, but knowing the difference between coinsurance and copayments helps you plan better. Both are ways your health insurance shares costs with you, but they work quite differently. Copayments, or copays, are fixed amounts you pay upfront for specific services. For example, you might pay a set fee of $30 when you see your doctor or $15 for a generic medication. These amounts are predetermined by your insurance plan and stay the same no matter what the total bill is. So, whether the visit costs $50 or $100, your copay remains the same, making it easier to budget for routine care. Coinsurance, on the other hand, is a percentage of the total cost of a covered service. You only start paying coinsurance after you have met your deductible, which is the amount you pay out of pocket before insurance begins sharing costs. For example, if your coinsurance rate is 20% and your surgery costs $1,000, you would pay $200, while your insurance covers the remaining $800. Coinsurance usually applies to more significant expenses like hospital stays or surgeries, which tend to be more costly. Timing is another key difference. Copayments are often paid immediately at the time of service, even if you haven't met your deductible yet. They are common for routine visits and prescriptions. Coinsurance, however, kicks in only after you've paid your deductible for the year. This means your out-of-pocket costs for large procedures can vary depending on the total bill and your plan's coinsurance rate. Predictability also differs. Copays are predictable because they are fixed amounts, making it easier to plan your healthcare expenses. Coinsurance can be less predictable because it depends on the total cost of the service. If the bill is high, your share might be substantial, but if the cost is lower, your payment will be less. Both copayments and coinsurance count toward your out-of-pocket maximum. The highest amount you'll pay in a year before your insurance covers 100% of covered services. This limit helps protect you from very high medical costs. For example, if you visit a specialist with a $50 copay, you pay $50 regardless of the total bill. If you have an 80/20 coinsurance plan and undergo an $8,000 surgery after meeting your deductible, you pay 20% of the bill, which is $1,600, and your insurer pays the rest. Understanding these differences helps you choose the right insurance plan and prepare for healthcare costs. Copays make routine care predictable and simple, while coinsurance shares the risk of larger expenses between you and your insurer. Always remember to review your plan details and consult healthcare professionals for personalized advice.